The hidden history of biometrics goes far deeper than modern-day fingerprints or facial recognition. It actually began thousands of years ago. The earliest recorded use of biometrics dates back to ancient Babylon around 500 BC, where fingerprint impressions were used in clay tablets for business transactions to verify identity. In ancient China, around 300 BC, merchants used fingerprints to sign contracts, proving that even then people understood the uniqueness of physical identifiers. The scientific study of biometrics began taking shape in the 19th century when Sir William Herschel, a British civil servant in India during the 1850s, used handprints and fingerprints to verify identities in legal documents long before police began using them. This was further developed by Sir Francis Galton, a cousin of Charles Darwin, who in the 1880s scientifically proved that no two fingerprints are alike and classified fingerprint patterns. Later, Alphonse Bertillon, a French police officer, created the first systematic method of criminal identification using body measurements, known as Bertillonage, which was the precursor to modern biometric systems. Eventually, fingerprinting took over as the gold standard, particularly after the 1901 introduction of the Henry classification system in British India. In the 1960s and beyond, computer technology enabled the rise of automated fingerprint identification systems, AFIS, and in the 1990s iris scans, facial recognition, and voice recognition technologies began to emerge. Today, biometrics has grown into a billion-dollar industry with applications in everything from unlocking phones to border control and surveillance. But the hidden truth is that this modern technology has its roots in ancient practices and colonial administration, and it continues to raise deep ethical and privacy questions even as it evolves. If you found this information useful, please like and share this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the box below. Thank you.